Tropical Storm Greg 2023 last modified, 3 o'clock August 16, 2023 UTC. Deep convection around Tropical Storm Greg has been pulsing through the day, and a partially exposed low-level circulation center can be discerned through a thin veil of mid-level clouds on visible imagery this afternoon, August 15. The light, southeasterly vertical wind shear is affecting the tropical storm, and fix agencies came in with a wide range of intensity estimates, from 2.5 out of SAB, to 3.0 at HFO, and 3.5 from JTWC. The current intensity from SAMS ADT was recently 55 miles per hour, 47 knots, though that estimate was elevated due to deep convection that had flared late this morning. Given the lack of substantial improvement in the satellite presentation and pulsing nature of the deep convection, a blend of these inputs supports holding the intensity at 50 miles per hour, 45 knots, for this advisory. The initial motion for this advisory is 280/12 knots. Greg appears to be starting the anticipated turn to the west-northwest toward a weakness aloft in the deep ridge north of the tropical cyclone. A general forward motion toward the west-northwest is expected tonight and much of Wednesday. Confidence is high that Greg will turn toward the west Wednesday night and Thursday as the ridge aloft begins to strengthen, causing Greg to pass several hundred miles south of Hawaii. A turn toward the west-southwest is forecast Thursday night and Friday as the weakening tropical cyclone is steered by the deep ridge to the north. The official forecast track is essentially an update of the prior advisory and lies near TVCE in the middle of a relatively clustered guidance envelope. The greatest chance for any additional strengthening will be in the short term, when vertical wind shear will remain light and the sea surface temperatures will hold around 28 C. The guidance continues to be split into two camps. The statistical models are showing slight intensification over the next day or so, followed by little change for several days. Conversely, the dynamical models show little to no short-term intensification, followed by steady weakening through the next 4 days, possibly due to drier air aloft disrupting Greg and slightly cooler sea surface temperatures along the forecast track. The updated intensity forecast allows for some short-term strengthening into Wednesday, followed by steady weakening as depicted by the bulk of the dynamical guidance, with Greg becoming post-tropical on Saturday.